Get ready to palpitate. Must try for coffee lovers. Learn to make 5 types of Vietnamese coffee. Instructor shares interesting history of Vietnam's coffee culture. My partner and I had so much fun. This was a very enjoyable experience. You get to learn how to make 5 different types of coffee and drink them all as well. Vietnamese black coffee, condensed milk coffee, egg coffee, salted coffee and coconut coffee. It's a popular 2 hours workshop. There were about 20 people from all around the world participating. The hosts are funny, sincere and very chill. It's one of my highlights whilst visiting Hoi An this time. We learned how to make 5 coffees. You also get to drink all of them. Coconut coffee was one of the best we tried in Vietnam. The stuff are kind and funny. We received a gift in the end. Overall is very fun and tasty activity. I learned how to make 5 types of coffee: black coffee, silver coffee, egg coffee, salt coffee and coconut coffee. The class was very neat and clear and the staff were very enthusiastic and attentive in supporting the participants. It was a great experience. The workshop had other people from other nationalities, about 20 plus of us in total. The staff conducting the session spoke basic English, which was sufficient for the workshop. Over the 2 hours, we got to make 5 different types of coffee, an amazing value for money. The session also had a quick 10-minute presentation about the history of coffee in Vietnam, which was insightful. All the coffee we made. The class is one of my highlights here in Hoi An. The coffee was amazing. We go to try so many and the family conducting the session are so fun. Highly recommend it. They even gave us a bit of history and background which I found very interesting. Their coffee blend was amazing. If you're in Hoi An or Da Nang and love coffee, this class is a total gem. Our host, JB, he calls himself Justin Bieber together with his brother who calls himself Taylor Swift for fun, was a riot from the start. Even though we arrived a bit late, they welcomed us with a smile and jumped right into the fascinating history of Vietnamese coffee. We got to make 5 different Vietnamese coffee drinks, each with a fun story behind it. The staff were super supportive and made the whole experience smooth. And just when we thought we couldn't handle any more caffeine, JB led us into a karaoke break that was a blast. What a hoot. This class was so much fun. And delicious. The hosts are fun and entertaining and enthusiastic. We learned how to make 5 different coffees and can't wait to try making them at home. They have equipment you can purchase at the end if you want. We couldn't resist a frother and some family coffee tilta so we can make our own Vietnamese egg coffee at home. Simply perfect, very educational. It is run by a family business of brothers. They teach us 5 different types of coffee, the history of how they came about. They also do a little karaoke between each recipe. The truth is if you have the opportunity and time you should try it. I had a great time with this coffee making class operated by young Vietnamese siblings. Learned a lot not only on how to make Vietnamese coffee but also about the coffee culture in Vietnam. The instructor was good and hilarious. Equipment and ingredients to be used in the workshop were readily available, and will allow you the full experience of preparing coffee.